Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you had a good day in the market. Obviously, you guys know coming into this morning from the morning video, overnight or this morning we swept these lows, got a nice reaction from it this morning, and then a little pullback. But what exactly is this pullback? Are we going to a new lows? Are we just going to retrace 50%? That's what we're going to try to answer here in this video. So today, remember I mentioned. We hit all of our upside targets today. We hit 4250, we hit 14670. Those were our first targets this morning after we inversed that hourly FEG this morning. So, like, after we inverse this, we knew we should go up to here, and you see that's exactly what happened, and obviously that translated over to ES as well. Um, so today we came up here. We had this volume imbalance that I pointed out up at 850, and you can see we tapped into it today, and then that was pretty much high of day today. So uh, going along with that, we also rejected this 4-hour FEG. If you draw this up a little bit more here, you see we barely tapped into it and rejected it. And then if you draw this FEG right here, you see we never closed above it. Remember we started to displace above, and I said if we close over this, we can probably expect this high and most likely this high. You see we didn't get it because we never closed above. We closed inside of it, and then we rejected back down from there. So what I'm looking at right now, to keep me, I'm not ready to go full, I'm not going full bear yet. This could absolutely be just a 50% retracement. I need more confirmation on the hourly time frame to confirm that, oh, this isn't just a retracement. We're going back to these lows, and then way more down from there. So what I'm looking at right now, 4-hour order block, right here. These two candles would be your order block. You see how price has respected that very nicely so far. And one more thing that I wanted to point out. Obviously, we have an hourly OB as well sitting right here. That price is respecting to the exact tick right now. So that keeps me a little bit bullish here. One more thing. Obviously, a 50% retracement here to here. Look where that 50% retracement lines up with this hourly fair value gap. So this, as well as it is lined up with this 1-hour inverse, giving us a 1-hour BPR. So this is what I'm going to be watching going into tonight. This is what's going to tell me, okay, we are going back to the highs, or we are going back to these lows. If we close below this, if you go from the hourly, it's like the 15. You see there are no like fair value gaps here that we can go by. Maybe there's something on the 5. Maybe we come back down to this 5 perhaps all the way before going higher. But I'm gonna say if we break this hourly fair value gap right here, close below this inverse as well, I'm gonna say we're going right back to these lows. Uh, Something interesting to note, as of right now, we are holding this. If we just move this FEG up here, we are holding this 1 hour and this 15-minute FEG that's sitting here. So that is something to note. And then overnight, if we can get back above this 1 hour fair value and this 4 hour, which is this smaller one here, you can see it's right here. If we can close back above this, then I'm gonna be bullish tomorrow, going and then targeting these equal highs up here at that 885 level, and then obviously remember we have the 4-hour equal highs sitting up here at 138.50 as well, and then we still have some opening gaps and stuff like around that 223.50 and 237 range. So as of right now, not going full bearish because we are holding that 1-hour order block, the 4-hour order block right here where we've bounced so far. And we haven't got a 50% retracement on NQ yet, but maybe we won't, because if you look at ES right now, if you draw your fib on ES, you see ES has already uh, hit its 50% retracement and is now showing nice displacement back up from that area. I do want to see, okay, so yeah, ES still respecting its 4-hour order block right here too. So it's just something to note. And then ES, not many FEGs to kind of look at here on ES. Maybe we look at this one, and we decide, this needs to hold. But the big one's going to be this hourly on NQ right here. This should tell us whether we're going to. I'm sorry, not that one, but this one right here. This should tell us if we're going to stay bullish tomorrow, or and then keep continuing higher to these hourly equal highs. Close below. We're probably going back to some brand new lows. Something to note, if we can tap into this hourly 15 down here below the point 0.5 fib, we do have 5-minute equal lows here that just would be something that we take out as well. So just something to kind of remember as well. So yeah, so I mean that's your levels for NQ. I mean we're either gonna hold this, go back to this high, or we're going down there. That's your two levels to look for going into overnight. Obviously, I just showed you ES. It's already did a 50% retracement. This is the interesting one to me. If you look at YM it looks awful compared to ES. Like 50% retracement, and then pretty much down to like 90% retracement, I would say. So on a YM, if this can close back above here, this 15, I think this gets bullish again, and that can maybe give us a little clue for NQ and ES going into tomorrow. Um, So I just wanted to show you that. One thing to note, DXY. Let's get rid of this for a minute. DXY today, about when the turnaround happened, and we started to come back down for our retracement. Um, DXY took this noticeable hourly low here. You see, there's not much else below. Next targets for DXY would probably be these kind of relative equal lows way down here at 105, 284. But as of right now, DXY is not really showing a willingness to go lower. A nice displacement on the hourly off this low. But if DXY comes back down and takes a new low, obviously we will be bullish for the indices tomorrow. And then we're probably looking for that 285 level. However, I mean, if we're going to continue lower on the indices, maybe we get a 50% retracement first on a DXY back up, up into here and maybe into this hourly. So just wanted to point that out. And then one more thing I was looking at on the ES1 chart. Uh, if you draw your fib on the daily from your March lows to today's price, you kind of see March lows and then our highs, not really drawn the best, but you can see we have tapped into the 50% retracement for ES. NQ is still like up in like the 70%. Obviously, it's been a little bit stronger. So, but that was just something that I found interesting on ES that I wanted to point out. What else did I want to talk about? This our play today on NQ. We took a long position, as we could tell. This 5-minute was going to kind of close above, and we got a quick trim in, and then pretty much got stopped at break even down here. Uh, this is why this play did not work. If you go to ES on the 5-minute, you see ES never closed above it. So telling us price was probably still bearish. You see, kind of have a little market structure break back up into the FEG, and then it kind of starts our 5-minute buy curve, sell curve, and it also took us to our lunch lows, our 1220 low sitting right here, which would be your lunch lows, and then obviously down from there to hit our 50% retracement. So yeah, long-winded again today. Sorry about that. I just want to show you what I'm looking for going into tomorrow. The last thing to note, this hourly FEG and discount is also a 4-hour FEG combined with a 4-hour inverse, just like it is on the hourly chart. So just something to remember. See what happens overnight. Hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and we'll see you in tomorrow.